How to use Pandabuy Size Helper. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial, I will teach you how to use the Pandabuy Size Helper. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the Pandabuy website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see right here on my Pandabuy menu, for example, I'm just going to purchase a product, for example, t-shirt. So if I'm going to choose one, I can just click them and it will redirect me to this. And rightly away, I can estimate the size of the t-shirt or the shirt by looking at them on the picture. But you can't really tell the exact size of that. So they have an size right here, size indicator right here. As you can see, it says extra small, small, medium, large. But as you can see, there's also a size helper button right here that you can choose. As you can see, if you click that, this window will appear. And right here, as you can see, you can input your height, weight, your shoulder width, all the measurements of your body, so that if you input all of them, the size helper will indicate what is your size, or what size can you choose. It's either small, medium, large, extra large. It depends on your measurement. So you can just input your measurements right here, and after you're done, you can just click continue. And after you click continue, the size helper will be activated, and the shop or the seller will automatically know what size you are. It's either small, medium, large, extra large. And yeah, that's how you can use size helper on Pandabuy. And also that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.